While the scanner is being used, dirt and dust accumulate on the interior of the scanner, which may affect documents and scanned images or prevent documents from being scanned properly. To avoid potential troubles from occurring, clean the scanner regularly. This video explains the procedures for cleaning scanners regularly, using the fi-7900 with an imprinter installed as an example, in the order starting with the exterior of the scanner, followed by the interior, and finally the imprinter. Prepare a clean cloth, cleaner F1, and some cotton swabs. Cleaning wipes can also be used instead of a cloth or cleaner F1. Now, let's clean the exterior of the scanner. Use a dry cloth to wipe the exterior of the scanner. If it is very dirty, use a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 to wipe. Next, let's clean the interior of the scanner. Turn off the scanner and unplug the power cable. Allow at least 15 minutes for the interior of the scanner to cool down. Open the hopper and then the ADF. Use a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 to clean the interior of the scanner. Clean the pick rollers. Open the roller cover and remove both the right and left pick rollers. Gently wipe off dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller surface. Install both the right and left pick rollers. Clean the separator roller under the pick rollers. Remove the separator roller. Gently wipe off dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller surface. Install the separator roller. Close the roller cover. Clean the brake roller. Open the brake roller cover and remove the brake roller. Gently wipe off dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller surface. Insert the brake roller back into place. Close the cover. Clean the pinch rollers. Gently wipe the roller surface. Clean the paper path and the sheet guide. Clean the document sensors. Use a cotton swab if it is hard to reach or wipe off. Clean the friction pad. Clean the glass. Wipe it thoroughly because dirt on the glass may cause vertical streaks to appear in an image. Clean the inner glass, which you don't clean usually, only in the cases shown on the screen. Remove the outer glass and clean the inner glass in the two locations one by one. Next, clean the parts inside the top cover. Close the ADF and open the top cover. Clean the pinch rollers. Gently wipe the roller surface. Clean the document sensors. Use a cotton swab if it is hard to reach or wipe off. Clean the feed rollers. Gently wipe the roller surface. Close the top cover. Plug in the power cable and turn on the scanner. When Ready is displayed on the LCD, use the operator panel to set up the roller rotation. After the setup is complete, open the top cover and clean the feed rollers that can be rotated by using the scanner. When you press the Scan Pause button, the feed rollers rotate by 1/7 at a time. While the feed rollers are rotating in this way, wipe any dirt or dust off the entire rollers. Close the top cover, open the ADF again, and clean the feed rollers and assist roller that can be rotated by using the scanner. Press the Scan Pause button, making sure that the ADF does not close accidentally. When you press the button, the rollers rotate by 1/7 at a time. While the rollers are rotating in this way, wipe any dirt or dust off the entire rollers. Close the ADF and press the Stop button. If you need to clean the rollers in the paper path only, you can use 2 cleaning sheets to clean them with the scanner kept on. Select Cleaning, and then Sheet on the operator panel. Scan each cleaning sheet with the protective paper removed twice, a total of 4 times, making sure you turn over the adhesive side and change the position in which it is loaded. We recommend using cleaning sheets as an easy cleaning method. Reset the cleaning counters on the operator panel after cleaning is complete. This completes the procedure for cleaning the interior of the scanner. From this step onwards, the procedure for cleaning the front side imprinter and back side imprinter is explained. Clean the imprinter regularly, because if you don't, the imprinter may cause print quality to be poor or documents to become dirty. Open the hopper, turn off the scanner, and unplug the power cable. Clean the front side imprinter. Open the top cover, lift the output feeder unit, and remove the print cartridge. Gently wipe dirt off the nozzle plate using a dry cloth. With the print cartridge removed, close the print cartridge holder cover, the output feeder unit, and the top cover, and open the ADF. Clean the print head. Gently wipe it by using a cloth moistened with cleaner F1. Close the ADF and open the top cover again. Lift the output feeder unit and install the cartridge. Align the print position pointer with the print position mark where printing should be performed on the document. Close the output feeder unit and the top cover. This completes the procedure for cleaning the front side imprinter. Next, clean the backside imprinter. Open the backside imprinter cover and remove the print cartridge. Gently wipe dirt off the nozzle plate by using a dry cloth. Open the top cover. Clean the print head. Gently wipe it by using a cloth moistened with cleaner F1. Close the top cover. Install the cartridge. Align the print position pointer with the print position mark where printing should be performed on the document. Close the backside imprinter cover. This completes the procedure for cleaning the backside imprinter. Clean the scanner regularly so that you can use it in a comfortable manner.